Hi, Phanessa here. In this quick video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to knit with two different colors. So when I'm knitting, because my floats or the strand that comes across back here, it's not too long, so I always keep my contrasting color on the bottom or below the main color. That prevents it from getting tangled. So this isn't a tutorial about how to hold your yarn because I'm still trying to figure that out. I knit continental and I wish I can flick as well so that I can hold the other yarn on this side, but I haven't successfully learned how to do that. So this tutorial is just to show you how I switch colors. So again, contrasting color is always on the bottom and I drop it. When I need to pick it up, I just grab it with my fingers and bring it up and knit with the contrasting color. And then when I'm ready for the main color, I just drop it again and knit with the other color. Pick it up, drop it, pick up, drop it, pick up, and drop it. Okay, so I do have small floats in the back, which isn't an issue for this pattern. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.